Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about ReactJS, the powerhouse behind some of the most scalable, flexible web applications out there. ReactJS has its pros, but like any technology, it also comes with its own set of challenges and potential pitfalls. So, let's break it all down in a way that's easy to follow. Now, let's start with the good stuff. Why ReactJS? Well, one big reason so many developers love ReactJS is because it's all about scalability. If you're building an app that's going to grow over time, add features, handle more users, and scale up smoothly, ReactJS is a fantastic choice. React makes it easy to manage complex applications. Since it's component-based, you can build out separate pieces of your app individually and then pull them all together. This modular structure allows you to handle a lot more complexity without the code getting too messy. Plus, since ReactJS is backed by Facebook, it's constantly updated to stay compatible with modern browsers and evolving tech trends. We've seen this firsthand with our client, Frontegg. They're a SaaS company from Israel, providing plug-and-play solutions for other SaaS companies. When Frontegg started, they had big ideas but only a small team. With ReactJS, we helped them scale up quickly, allowing them to build a powerful platform loaded with features, all while keeping their codebase organized and efficient. The flexibility of ReactJS was key to building something both scalable and adaptable. Another advantage? React's speed. React's virtual DOM lets developers update only the parts of a page that need it rather than reloading the entire page. This improves load times and performance, which is huge for user experience. Our work with Frontegg benefited from this speed. They needed a platform that could run fast even as they kept adding features. But let's talk about the other side, the challenges and pitfalls of ReactJS. Like any framework, it's not perfect. One common challenge is that ReactJS isn't a complete framework. It's more like the V in MVC, which stands for Vue. React handles the front end really well, but for things like routing and state management, you'll need additional tools like Redux or React Router. This adds a learning curve and some setup time. Another pitfall? React's fast-paced updates. While it's great that React is always improving, it means that libraries and tools might not stay compatible forever. When updates come out, they often require changes in your code, which can slow down development if you're not prepared. And of course, there's the complexity in managing large applications. React is amazing for scalability, but without careful planning, the component structure can get out of control in bigger projects. It's important to use best practices, like splitting components smartly and keeping code organized, so your app doesn't turn into a tangled mess. So, should you use ReactJS? Absolutely. If you're aiming for a scalable, fast, and modular app, it's a top choice. But just know that it comes with a few challenges, especially as your app grows. Our experience with Frontegg taught us that careful planning and staying up to date with React's best practices make a huge difference in overcoming these challenges. In the end, ReactJS is a fantastic tool for building dynamic, scalable apps. If you're prepared for a bit of a learning curve and some maintenance along the way, it's a powerful choice that can take your project far. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know any questions or experiences you have with React in the comments below. See you next time!